Good morning and welcome to this session of Money, Sex, Power. We are learning success from the richest man, King Solomon, who ever lived. Today is day 24. We will read from chapter 24, verse 16. Righteous person falls down 7 times and rises again, but wicked people are brought down by calamity. I want to say this. Everybody falls down at some point or the other. We all fall down by negative circumstances, sometimes by calamity, sometimes by the treachery of somebody. Sometimes we can even be trapped in certain places. The truth of the matter is, people don't rise up again. They are finished. They are finished. Many people never rise up after a calamity attacks them. We see individuals sunk, drowned, dead and gone. Family is gone. Community is gone. Today we see many people disappear from this earth when calamity strikes. But there is a difference. Even when the calamity strikes, the righteous will rise up. My friends, to have the right intentions, to have the right strength, to have the right motives in our lives helps you in many ways. Many times, people have no right intentions. They have no right motives, they have no right vision, they have no right strength. Some people, they take witchcraft as their strength. Some people take the friendship with the politicians as their strength. Some people take their strength from their, superior caste system. There are n number of futile things which you take your strength from. When calamity strikes you, you will never get up. It's a curse on all those people who took these wasteful things as their success story or as their strength. Such people forget there is something called as right. There is something called as wrong. They don't know about it. They always listen to their forefathers and think how superior they are. Some people think, having money is the greatest strength of life. Having influence is the greatest strength of life. And they will pay for it when calamity strikes. My friend, if you are young and if you have such futile thoughts in you, I think you need to change your lifestyle. You need to make righteousness as your strength. When righteousness is your strength, I tell you, even if a calamity strikes you, you will still get up. You will rise up. And it says, he raises up not once, 7 times. Now, 7 is also symbolic of fullness. That means, throughout his life, whatever calamity strikes him, he will still rise up. It can be a health calamity. It can be a financial calamity. It can be a relationship calamity. It can be a business calamity. It can be any calamity. Anything. A righteous man will rise. The wicked man will perish. My friend, better to have our strength, our motivation, our desires on righteousness. Am I right in this situation? Am I right in my words? Am I right in my actions? Am I right in my decisions? If I am not right, then we have to change it into right. My friend, there is a right and wrong. We have not come from monkeys. Solomon doesn't believe that. Solomon believed in a God. I tell you, there is an Almighty God. There is something called as right. There is something called as wrong. Right cannot be wrong and wrong cannot be right. However, your religion teaches you, your culture teaches you, your society teaches you, right is right and wrong is wrong. When you have right intentions, right motives, right decisions, right focus, of course, right people to surround you, when calamity strikes you, you will rise up. You will rise up all through your life. 7 times completely you will rise up. You cannot be defeated. You will defeat the calamity. I wish you all the best as you inch towards righteousness and as you walk in righteousness. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed today's session. We will meet tomorrow, same time. God bless you.